guys, good morning. I love you so much today. Hope you're having a great day so far. Have you guys ever been to the zoo? The zoo is one of my most favorite places. And I've been to the zoo before. And today, for our learning activity, I am going to tell you some animals that I saw the last time I went to the zoo. Then I'm going to tell you about some animals that I saw when I went to the farm. But I'm not going to tell you the whole word of the animal that I saw together. I'm going to tell you the beginning sound, and then I'm going to tell you the rest of the word. And you have to guess what animal I saw at the zoo or at the farm. Okay, we're going to start at the zoo. When I went to the zoo, the first animal I saw, remember, I'm not going to tell you the whole word. The first animal I saw was a tiger. A tiger. I wonder if you guessed what animal I was trying to say. Tiger. Let's see. Did anybody guess tiger? Tiger. Tiger. I saw a tiger last time I went to the zoo. All right. Let me tell you what else I saw. Last time I went to the zoo, I saw a sweet little tiny fish swimming in the water. I saw a fish. What do you think I'm trying to say? What animal did I see? A fish! Fish. Fish. Good job, guys. All right, this one's a little bit tricky. Last time I went to the zoo, I saw an animal called a camel. Camel. I wonder if you've ever seen one of these. Camel. Can you guess what I'm trying to say? Camel. I saw a camel last time I went to the zoo. I see his little humps. He's so fuzzy. That was a tricky one because camel's not an animal we talk about a lot. Camel. All right. I've got two more zoo animals. Last time I went to the zoo, I saw a big, giant bear. Bear. Can you guess what animal I'm trying to talk about? A bear. A big black bear. Good job. Bear. Bear. All right, last zoo animal, then we're going to move to the farm. Last time I went to the zoo, I saw a lion. Lion. What animal do you think I'm trying to say? Lion. Can you guess it? Here they come. I'm about to show you. Lion. Lions! I have two lions here. I have the boy lion, the male, and the girl lion, the female. I can tell this one's the boy because he has this mane, and the girl doesn't. So I've got the mom and the dad lion. Last time I went to the zoo, I definitely saw some lions. Good job. All right, now, the zoo trip is over, but I've also been to a farm. And zoo animals and farm animals are a little bit different. Usually zoo animals are wild animals that you really can't keep at your house. But farm animals are animals that are used on a farm to give you maybe eggs or milk or to work on your farm. So now let's see if you can guess the animals that I saw the last time I went to the farm. Now, you guys may not know this, but Mr. Hunter, my husband's daddy, has a farm. And these are the animals that I've seen there. Are you ready? The first animal I saw the last time I went to the farm was a horse. Horse. The first sound in the word is And the last sounds are orse. Hey, a horse! Horse. I saw a horse last time I went to the farm. All right, let's see. The next animal I saw last time I went to the farm was a pig. Pig. What animal do you think I'm talking? Oh, I almost showed you. Pig. Here he comes. It's a pig. 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 All right. Got a few more animals I saw at the farm. Last time I went to the farm, I saw an animal called a chicken. Chicken. If I put those two sounds together, what word do I get? Chicken. Let's see. A chicken. 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 I saw a chicken last time I went to the farm. All right. Last time I went to the farm, I saw another animal. Some people have these kind of animals as pets. But on this farm, this animal works by catching mice to keep the mice away from the farm. So, last time I went to the farm, I saw a cat. Cat. What animal do you think I'm trying to say? Cat. Let's see. Meow, meow, meow. A cat. 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 I saw a cat last time I went to the farm. Meow, 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 meow. All right, I saw one last animal when I was at the farm. This animal is called a ow. Ow. What animal do you think I saw at the farm that is a ow? Can you guess it? Think in your brain. Think in your brain. All right, I'm about to show you. Ow. Cow. Ow. Cow. All right, good job, guys. Good guessing. I bet you got all those. Let's review the animals that we saw. At the farm, we saw a ow, cow, a cat, a chicken, a pig, and a horse. When I was at the zoo, I saw a lion, a camel, a bear, a fish, and a tiger. Good guessing, guys. Have a great day. I love you so much, and I'll be back for more learning activities tomorrow. See you later.